Here's how to find older servers in Grow A Garden on Roblox. First, you need to install the BT Roblox extension, the Open Chrome Web Store, and here search for BT Roblox. Select install or download to add it to your Chrome, and once it has been added, simply go ahead and refresh your Roblox website. Select this puzzle icon in the top right corner, and here select BT Roblox. Also go ahead and launch the Grow A Garden game page, and the game interface will look slightly different after the refresh. And find the server list. Go ahead, scroll all the way down, and there you'll get the section of servers. Sort by the player count and change the server list sorting form from descending to ascending based on the number of the players, and this will show servers with the fewest players list. Go ahead and join the server, and servers with fewer players are more likely to be older servers. Pick a server from the top of the list and join it. Check for an older server, and the Roblox game client will open, and if it's not an older server, you can try joining different servers from the list until you find one. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.